So it's kind of crumbly, but this isn't like a cake batter, obviously. So you'll notice that I have these filled up to the top. These are not going to rise. It says to push this in there firmly. Once I get these all the way filled, we're going to stick them in the oven for 25 minutes. And during that time, we're going to get our yogurt peanut butter icing ready, which should only take a couple of minutes, no big deal. All right, so these are all pretty full. Oh wait, hold on, not this one. It says it makes only 10, but I would almost bet we could fill them just a little bit less and you could do a dozen. Because I've got quite a bit left in here. I think the ice cream scoop works really well. I was trying to do it with a spoon and it was taking forever. Alright, so our oven is already preheated to 350. Let's put these in here, turn the oven light on. A cup and a half of Greek yogurt. And a third of a cup of our organic peanut butter. You guys want to be really careful what kind of peanut butter you get. Make sure it's an all natural, just because there are still, I think there's only like 4 peanut butters. I think Skippy was one of them that still uses some dangerous ingredients for dogs, and the dogs don't need the added sugar anyway. So definitely be careful of that. I just went to our local natural food store, found a peanut butter pretty easily. All right, so you're gonna mix this. Actually smells really good. And then we're gonna set it in the fridge while everything else is coming together. All right, so we will frost these whenever they are cooled, and then we'll see how the dogs like them. All right, so we let these cool off for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator, and I just pulled them out. I've already got these ones already done. You can see I used a piping bag and a tip to do the icing. I think it makes it look a lot prettier than on the website. So to do this, all you're gonna do is just squeeze it right in there. I found that making a couple laps on this makes it look better. Nothing fancy that looks. And then you just put your little teddy bear on top. You guys wanna definitely make sure that you take this wrapper off, obviously. If you have any questions, let me know. I can definitely try to answer them or point you in the direction to get those answered. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make those cupcakes. They were pretty easy, the dogs liked them. If you guys have any questions, concerns, any tips for me even, Drop me a comment, let me know. I'll try to get back to you guys. I'm going to be out of town all week, but I'll do my best. You guys stay dry out there. It looks like it's going to be a rainy one today. Have a great day.